is I'm not putting no extra product. Again, I like to see how the product works. So I'm going to use this amount. This is a lot. But you guys, I said I'm heavy-handed now. I said I'm heavy-handed. So I'm going to take a smaller comb, and I like to just pretty much detangle everything. I like a nice smooth twist. If I'm going to twist my hair out, I like a nice smooth twist. And it doesn't have to be neat. You know, you're parting, but your twists need to be. You know, I remember when when I first started out twisting my hair, I used to just twist and borrow from each side. Didn't pay it any attention that I shouldn't do that because your twists don't come out right. You have a lot of frizz and so forth and so on. So it's good to kind of stay focused, and I'm borrowed right there. Speaking of borrowing, there I go borrowing. But you should not borrow. You should, if you want a nice twist out with less frizz, especially if you have coarse hair like me, you want to keep everything even. So here's my twist, and you see my hair grew quite a bit. I'm going to take my shears, and again, I'm just doing this to cut off the end. And I cut, did it come? There you go, just that amount. Nothing too much. Well, it's right there. It's not that much. I don't want to cut much. I just want to pretty much make sure that my ends are actually even. And that does help with keeping retention. And I don't straighten my hair that much. Well, pretty much not at all because I wear wigs. So I'm going to break this in two. I'm going to do one more twist with you guys. And then I'm going to just go ahead and knock this twist. You always want to focus on your ends because this is the oldest part of your hair. Always want to focus on this piece. I'm going to try to get some even parts. And why I like how my hair is growing and why I like to wear wigs, you know how sometimes your edges can be so much shorter than the rest of your hair. So that's why I like to keep my hair tied up, because when I first went natural, here's my story time. When I first went natural, I used to just play in my hair so much and my edges were so much shorter than the rest of my hair. So now I'm to the point where everything is not even, but my front is very, very long. So happy about that. Now this one I don't have to cut. This one is really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to twist the rest of my hair and we're going to see how it looks. Okay, so I finished twisting my hair. These are all my twists just to kind of get up and close. I just put a whole bunch of twists all over. Nothing fancy, like I mentioned before. I really don't worry about the parting because you're not going to see the parting. And they look nice and juicy to me. There's definitely, like some of them have product, like this one doesn't. And some do. And it's okay because it's early, so hopefully my twists will dry and then they'll dry through the night, because you know if you twist your hair too late at night, it won't dry, and I hate that. So I hope I didn't put too much product in my hair. I tell you I'm heavy-handed, so I won't have any white residue or anything like that. And normally if it's a nice good product, it don't matter how much product you use, you won't have any residue. So I have a couple of twists. I don't think I have too many, I didn't count them, but just to kind of get into this twisting cream, I really, really like this cream. Why I like this cream? Because I'm very heavy-handed, like I mentioned. But I know I didn't need as much as I used because I felt like it was literally hydrating my hair. Because my hands feel good, I will say that. My hands feel great. But it's a very nice, soft, whipped product. You see, I'm putting more. Can't get enough, Kelly. When you always say, oh, I need a little bit more, just need a little bit more, it's gonna make the twist look just as better. So, but I really, really I like the feel of it. It really feels good. I hope I have a nice shine in the morning. That's what I like to look for, because sometimes, you know, you don't, I feel like if you're using a really good product, you won't have to use oils and different things like that. If you can layer, if you're doing the lock method, if your hair is like really, really, damage and going through it. But if the product claims that it's good for damaged hair, then we should be good in the morning. So let's get out of here. Let's put the bonnet, we'll let it air dry for a little while. I'll put my bonnet on and I'll catch you in the morning. So here is the final look. I had to go to work. You saw me rushing. So here's the final look. I don't wore it all day. It's nicely worn. What I can definitely say with the two products that I do have, I don't have any of the other products. The hold is very, very soft. I don't feel like I have, let me get up a little closer so you can see. My crinkles, as I would call them, my little twists, they're nice and soft. They're not hard. And I do like that. However, I would probably want to try more of the line. I think I want to try more of the line because I do like these two products. I did bring them in from the bathroom. That's our place where we go, where we have to do our hair. This Knot Away Leave-In Detangler. I really like this. And I'm heavy-handed. And I would have wanted to use more, but I did not have to use more. And this twisting cream, you guys know, I would have put a dent in this, but I really didn't. I just used a little bit, if you can see it. I just used a little bit, but nevertheless, it has a very nice, soft scent and hint of honey and shea butter. The coconut oil, I can't tell, I guess because the shea and the honey is overpowering, but it's not strong at all. But however, I want to come and just let you see what the final look is, in addition to give you kind of an update on, let me put this down, give you an update on my natural hair. It's thriving. I really like what's going on with it right now, and I'm finding if I leave it alone, bring it out to play a little bit every now and then. If you follow me on my Instagram, again, I'll leave it here, you'll see how every now and then I'll bring it out. If I wear it back in a nice bun or a high puff, or I flat ironed it one time before, and you know, when I let it out to play for a little bit, then I put it back, it thrives. When my heavy hands and I'm raking through it, that's why I went and did a big chop the second time around. And right now I have too much hair to be doing a third big chop. But anywho, I wanted to just come and just show you, give an update. I didn't show you like how long it's gotten, but I'm sure you can probably kind of tell. It comes right here when I stretch it out, so it has some good length to it. I know if I get my hair straightened one more time, I'll probably have to cut a little bit, maybe an inch or two, because you know, I hate when I see ladies that have long hair. I don't care if it's relaxed, natural, whatever it is, and you can see right through it, even your weave. I don't like that. I like when everything is just like nice and even, well, you know, just vibrant with the hair. I like that. But hey to all my new subscribers, hey to all my loyals, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. And let me know if you tried this product out. Leave it down below so I know. Talk to you guys later. Bye.